Holy shit. Holy shit. Jesus Christ. Whoa! Dude! Oh. Oh. Dude. Oh my God.
Going to the cottage, but we still got delays there. Northbound Highway 11 at Sparrow Lake, a left lane is blocked off for maintenance work. Eastbound 401, we have delays through the Salem area, and then it's just starting to bunch up at Brock Street as well. If you are traveling through Port Carling, Highway 118 is right now, and traveling up through Wabamun.
The whole team comes out, sits down, talks to you. It was like amazing. She was so awesome. And the other one, younger, and really Tom Clancy or Grisham type person yet. But also ICM, it's out here in Hollywood as well. And it was such a tough decision. It was like a final rose ceremony. I haven't broken up with someone in 20 years.
Ooh, that was close. You gonna stop and see what's going on? Make sure I think he's okay.
And shook his head. Cullen grinned, puzzled. The I had one once. Gee, it hurt, didn't it? Just my laws. Nick shook his head and went through his dumb show again.
Oh my God, watch out. Oh my God, that person's dead. Damn, look at this shit, man. Oh my God, stop. Oh, fuck, man. Oh.
Can't remember. I don't have run. Actually,
Oh, so you have this.
Yeah, the ones where you can like press
I
a little button.
have
Are you serious? Fuck!
Oh my God, I just saw someone got into a huge accident. Oh, I hope I recorded that on my camera. No freaking way.
Vehicle event detected. Connecting
okay?
to on-stall emergency.
Some clarity in the next, in the next week before they reach tough decisions and have to go through some pretty tricky overall mechanics to become CAP compliant and maximize their
And I will probably print sign and send it back. Oh, dang. Oh, it was just a terrible car accident right in front of me. Oh no.
Yeah, it wasn't. I mean, started in January.
Oh my god. This is the first time I've ever seen a crash IRL. Exactly, same. What happened? Idiot.
That's not right to shoot, kill an animal while it's in hibernation. It's sleeping. It's fine, you know, enjoy its weekend. Right. No, it's better. Why don't we just trick it with some food? Let it come out here in plain sight when, you know, like, no, I'm your friend. Why don't we fake call that I'm one of you, right? That's definitely a little bit better.
What a horrible dad. Come here, son. Let's shoot this.
What is it doing? What about?
You mean the hot one? Whoa!
I got out of the car and the cop was walking this way. And they only showed the first shot. Oh my god. Oh my god. I could walk over there, guess.
I nie wiało, nie sypało, tylko po prostu śnieżek aż jakby...
support, it's essential to our ability as a charity to convene civil and substantive debates on the big questions of the day. To be a donor, please consider becoming one. Join our month debates as a support.
Oh my god, there was an accident.
Seriously?
Holy shit. Oh my god, someone just got T-boned.